Attention, dans quelques secondes... Attention, dans quelques secondes, votre DJ Joe Kamikaze va prendre le contrôle des platines. Accrochez-vous. Oreilles sensibles, s'abstenir.
All the good-looking women sing along. I can't hear y'all.
Someone to show me a love like this before.
What's your zodiac sign? What's your zodiac sign? I can't hear y'all. What's your zodiac sign? Out. If you got long hair, get your hands up. If you got short hair, make noise. If you got long hair, get your hands up. If you got short hair, make noise. If you got long hair on your head, if you got long hair on your head, if you got long hair on your head, from your ear to your sleeve, even if you got a wig out.
Girl, I know you want it.
Lay up in the gym, yup, yup, man, dollar sign. Say you don't know me, here I come, hey, hey. There's a deep breeze, me see skill and touch a crew. And now me see skill and touch a crew. And now
down, but the proof's in the way it hurts. For months on end I've had my doubts, denying every tear. I wish this would be over now, but I know that I still need you here.
Face. Tell them pick up the pace, and we are run the place. Sound boy a chase, me tell them give me space. Them in a rat race, but how we are run the place. Run the place, but how we are run the place. Run the place, we are run the place. Tell them call the fire brigade because we smell some speaker burning.
Jam rock, camp where the thugs them camp at. 2 pounder within a van back. It inna your handbag, your knapsack, it inna your backpack. The smell of your girlfriend contact. Some boy not know this. Them only come around like tourists on the beach with a few club sodas, bedtime stories, and pose like them Chuck Norris. And don't know the real hardcore, cause sandals are not back to. The thugs them with the way them got to. And won't think twice to shot to. Don't make them spot to. Unless you carry guns a lot to. A beer tough king come at you when trench town hands.